Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up inside of DropFunnels. So what's great with DropFunnels is that we can share our pop-ups to the entire website, even with our sales funnels. So we only have to create a pop-up once and we can use it everywhere on the entire website. And we can even, like, when we make a modification on this particular pop-up, the update spreads to the entire website, and so we don't have to update each and every page one by one, and it saves a lot of headaches and time as well. If you're a ClickFunnels user or something, like, it's gonna change your life. So let's go ahead and show you exactly how you can do this. So the first thing that I want to show you is I have a pop-up on my website right now, and so the trigger is a simple button, and so this is the pop-up that I'm going to show to people when they come to my website and click on this button. So all they have to do right now is to fill out their first name, their email address, and click on watch now to get access to my Freedom Formula training. And so I'm going to show you that you can have different triggers for this pop-up. And so basically you can trigger this pop-up using an icon, an image, text, a button, just as I did right now, a custom class or ID. So basically you can, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can edit this, like for example this headline, you go to advanced, and you want to like add a custom ID or a custom class. And let's say we want to go and say ed, for example. And so when I do this, I can say, okay, so I want a pop-up that triggers when someone clicks on this custom class, and right here I would put ed, okay? And when someone clicks on this class, the pop-up is gonna trigger, okay? And let's revert back to this button. And so you can also do automatic. So when someone tries to exit your page, so when their mouse go to the top of the website, then you can show them the pop-up before they leave your website. It's another way to grab leads and to get conversions, increase your conversion on your sales funnels and on your website as well. So you can do this, click on yes, and you can also show a pop-up after a certain period of time that someone visits your website. So let's say we want to add this pop-up, show this pop-up when someone is on our website for 30 seconds. So they're gonna like scroll down and everything, and after 30 seconds, they're gonna have this pop-up shown in front of them automatically, okay? So I'm gonna revert back to this button. And so right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a pop-up using DropFunnels. So what we wanna do is to go to the dashboard and click on Builder and Saved Row. And what we want to do is to click on Add New. And as you can see, I already have two pop-ups. So let me show you this. The Freedom Formula pop-up is the one that I've showed you. And basically what I have is just a single page. And this is the content that you've seen on the pop-up, all right? And as you can see here, this pop-up is global. So every time that I make a change to this pop-up, let's say I want to change the headline, then it's going to spread to the entire website and to your entire funnel, so you don't have to edit page by page to have this information spread to the entire website and funnel. So let's go ahead and add a new pop-up, okay? So I'm going to name this pop-up, saved row, make this global. I like to make them global so I can use them everywhere. But it's up to you if you want to do this or not. And let's launch DropFunnels. All right, and so now we have this thing. And so what I want to do right now is to make this full width, and That's it. And I want to remove all the margins. So I'm going to link this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and I'm going to link. So there is no margin at all inside of this thing. And so what I want to do is fixed, and let's say we want to put 800 for the width of this module. And so we are going to grab a headline saying welcome to my pop-up, and put this in the middle, make this ultra bold. And what we want, let's say I want another opt-in form in there. So I'm gonna choose my ActiveCampaign account. So basically right here you just have to connect your email service provider account from like one time, and then you're gonna have access to your entire email service provider right there. So tag test, and so I don't want to show the phone. I don't want to show the phone. So hide. And all I have is the name and the email address. And I'm really happy with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish. And so right now I can go back to my website. Let's go back to the website, and I can actually change this pop-up to trigger this new pop-up that I've created. All right. So what I need is to click on this thing, and I'm going to show you how to actually add a pop-up. So you have this modal pop-up, and let's say we want to put it there, and we want the trigger to be let's remove the preview, and we want the trigger to be automatic. Okay, and when someone tries to exit or leave the page. All right. And the content, so you have to choose the content right here, and so we want to go to saved rows, and we want to select the pop-up, and save. Okay, and right here we're gonna save and publish, and I'm gonna refresh. And so when I try to exit this page, then they're gonna boom show me this pop-up. Okay, it is that simple, guys. Okay, so let's update and put like a 5-second of someone visiting the website. Display settings after a few seconds, let's say 5 seconds. I'm gonna respect your time. Save and publish. And so I'm gonna refresh, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's there already. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any question, please drop them down below in the comment. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button. It helps me produce more content and help you guys to achieve whatever you want within your online business. And let me know in the comment if you have any question, if you want me to make a video about a particular topic, and I will be more than happy to do that. So that being said, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace!